So once we have our channel created, click Customize Channel. Click Branding. Here you can change your logo, and here you can change your banner image. As you see, YouTube tells us the best resolutions for our image. So this is where our banner image will show. You can use any program to make this: Photoshop, Canva, PicMaker, and so on. I've included a YouTube banner template for your reference to download. As you can see here, you have the safe area for desktop, mobile, tablet, and TV. This is how your banner will look on all those devices. I use Photoshop by default as my graphics editing software, but let's use a free one like Canva for this example. Or you can Google yourself YouTube banner image and get more free websites where you can design this. So here on Canva, we have a lot of free examples, and we will use one just for the demo. Once we downloaded the image, let's go back on our channel and click Upload. Here you will see also how our banner will be shown on different devices. When you are happy with the result, click Done. Here we can also choose to add a watermark to our videos. The watermark will appear in your videos in the right-hand corner of the video player. The only thing to do now is to click the Publish button over here. See you in the next class.